everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's just Clarice, and today I am going to be doing an IPSY bag try-on / review for you guys. This is my December 2019 IPSY Glam bag. I had a lot of fun products that I got to try out today, and this is the final look that I got as a result. So if you're interested in that, just keep on watching, and without any further ado, let's dive on into today's video. Alrighty guys, so let's get started. Let's first open up the IPSY bag to see what we got this month. Alright, so first things first, let's just go ahead and check out the bag. It feels not quite like plastic. It's an interesting material. It has a little green zipper this month. It's actually a very cute bag. Kind of reminds me of snow and ice. I think that's what they were going for with this color. The theme of the December 2019 IPSY bag is sparkle, shimmer, and shine. # discover yourself. And then it has a list of all the different products that I received in my bag this month. They included a couple of face masks. We have a refreshing peppermint skin clarifying mask, as well as a firming pomegranate strengthened skin barrier mask. These are both by the brand Glam, so I'll be trying one of these first today. We have the Hanhu Watermelon Illuminator Daytime Facial Oil. This is an interesting product for me because I don't typically go for face oils. I'm always worried that it's going to make me really greasy, but we'll see. We also have the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Kisses. We also have a brush by Luxie Beauty. This is their 237 Blending Dream Catcher Blush. And finally, we have the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara in Bryn, which is a rich black. So I am very excited to try out all of these products, especially the Tarte Blush and the Thrive Cosmetics mascara, because I've heard very good things about both products and I've wanted to try them for a long time. So let's just get started. So first things first, I gotta try out one of these face masks. With sheet masks, I feel like it's really hard to see how much of a difference it's making. I mean, most masks will come in a jar and you tend to see results over time, but with sheet masks, it's like a one and done kind of thing. Looking at my skin right now, I don't think I need the clarifying mask, so let's go with the firming mask. It says it's a 3-layered sheet allowing deep moisture grip, and that pomegranate essence firms the skin. I guess my skin is going to look firmer, more strengthened, more plump maybe. It's so weird to say more plump and firm in the same sentence, but I mean like more youthful, more healthy looking. It says to apply after cleansing, which I did. I took a shower this morning, so my face is very clean. I used one of my favorite face scrubs, so it's feeling very smooth. It says to leave on for 20 to 30 minutes. This is a long one, so I'll be putting this on and then probably eating some breakfast or something and come back and talk to you guys about how it felt and what it did. Ooh. It smells like fruit, which makes sense because it's pomegranate. It's not too bad of a face shape. It seems to be hugging my face quite nicely. So I'm going to set a timer for 20-ish minutes and I'll see you guys when it's done. My skin does feel a little tighter, not in a bad way. I will say there's not a ton of product left over, which I like, because sometimes when you take off a face mask, your skin is just drenched. My skin does look really nice and dewy. I quickly just ran to grab my facial moisturizer, and within that time, it's completely dried down. Like, there's no wetness left on my skin. My skin looks really healthy. It's good. Now we're gonna move on to the Hanhu Watermelon Illuminator Daytime Facial Oil. And I was looking at the little card that came with the IPSY bag, and it suggested just to put this on before you put on your SPF. Now, my moisturizer has SPF in it, so I'll put a little bit of this on and then I'll go in with this. Everything I read about it said that it's not super oily, that it's very moisturizing and it sinks into the skin, and that apparently it has ingredients that help to protect your skin from pollutants. A little dollop of that across my forehead, all that on my cheeks. I'm being careful around my nose area because the bridge of my nose tends to get especially oily. It does feel really nice though, very cooling and extremely dewy. My goodness, my skin is dewy. I'm putting a little bit extra here just because this is probably the driest part of my face. I wouldn't say it feels oily, like not even coming out of the tube. It's not a very thin, liquidy product. It is almost more like a cream. It is definitely oil based, but I wouldn't say it's overly slick. I don't think my skin looks particularly greasy, and it does seem to be absorbing into the skin really nicely as well, which I like. So I'm just going to quickly apply the rest of my makeup. I'll let you guys know what I used in the description box below, and I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so I just finished off doing most of my face, you know, foundation, concealer, powder, bronzer, highlight. Brows are on. This is supposed to be a blending brush, but as you can see, it's a really fine, small blending brush. So I think I would use this as like a little detailer brush, you know, just in the crease. I'm gonna keep my eyes really simple today, really easy. So just letting you guys know, I'm gonna be using some of the matte shades from my Profusion Naturals palette, as well as a shimmer shade single from Colourpop. This is in the shade Come and Get It. It's like a really pretty pinky gold shade. Now I'm going to jump back into the Profusion palette using the new blending brush. I'm going to dip back into that shade Heavenly, which is like a soft pinky brown. And I'm just going to use this through the crease, blend out the edges of that shimmer shade, and that will re-intensify the matte, give the shimmer a nice soft transition so it doesn't look as harsh as it does on this eye. Nice and soft, just a little bit shimmery, a little bit pinky, and I'm just going to clean up the edges using a clean flat buffer brush. And I'm going to go back in with that first shade, Silky, the sort of like peachy white color, using a nice soft fluffy detail brush. And that'll be my brow bone highlight. Full eye look, just using 3 shadows. Alrighty, so that brings us to the last 2 products in our IPSY bag this month, which is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Kisses. See, it's a very pretty pink color, a little bit shimmery, which is really nice. I love a blush that's just a little bit shimmery because it just adds a lot of life and healthiness to the cheeks. And I'm gonna apply this using a stippling brush because I just want a flush of color, not too intense. So we'll see how this looks. It is a beautiful flush of pink, but not too pink to the point where it looks like unnatural. It's actually a very healthy shade. I like to brush a little bit across the tip of my nose. I started doing that this summer and I just really like the way it ties in the whole look. Yeah, it's a really pretty flush of pink with just the slightest bit of shimmer. Super gorgeous. I really, really like this. And the very last thing we have to try on is the Thrive Cosmetics Mascara. This is supposed to be lengthening and volumizing. We shall see. In my opinion, I already have fairly long eyelashes, so I don't look for a ton of lengthening in my mascaras, more so volumizing and how well does it hold a curl. Speaking of, I'm just gonna grab my eyelash curler, curl these lashes, and we'll just apply a little bit of this. The packaging is really cute. I love the color. It's like a aqua greeny blue. So it was kind of stuck in the tube, and I think it's because of the bristles. The bristles are really hard and really stubby from what I can see. But there's a lot of them. It has a lot of bend to the wand. I think it's rubbery actually. Let's apply a couple of coats. See what we're dealing with here. So that is 1 coat of mascara on this lash, none on this one. You can kind of see the difference. I do think I'm seeing lengthening going on. I don't know if I'm seeing a ton of volume so far. I'm gonna try another coat. It's definitely very lengthening. I don't know if it's super volumizing. It's pretty, for sure. I just don't know if it's my favorite mascara that I've ever tried. And there we go. Those were all my IPSY bag products. I'm just going to finish off the look with my Physicians Formula Moumaru Butter Lip Cream in the shade Pinkini. Just like a nice flush of glossy color. Very pretty. I would highly recommend trying this out. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you liked the look I came up with. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more stuff from me, and make sure to hit that bell notification so you know every single time that I post. Thank you guys again so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!